Hi, everybody. It's Bonnie Lee, and I'm in Skagway sailing with Silversea on the Nova. And this ship is known for bringing the light and the destination into all of her sailors, all of her passengers. So, as promised, this is the grill. I'm on deck 10. The grill is also the Marquee Restaurant. And my pronunciation of this next restaurant is incorrect, like Spaccanapoli, but we are really talking about pizza. So, right now, it's probably about 10 in the morning. This is set up for a healthy breakfast, avocado toast. And again, you're outside. This is Alfresco dining. And remember when we were up on deck 11 and I said you can look through the windows up here and see Mother Nature, which is exactly what we did last night. I'm going to have Walt pan up to that window and look at, you see the inside trees that have the blossoms, but outside you see Mother Nature. You see those tall evergreens. You see the mountains of Alaska. So this restaurant is amazing. The grill in the evening, this is where you cook on the rocks, the stone rocks. It does require reservations in the evening, so do make sure you make them. If you didn't, check with your butler. Remember, every single suite, this ship is all suites, has a butler. Every single suite that has a butler has a veranda. So Mother Nature is always coming in to greet you around every corner and through every window. So I will talk to you later. I hope you have a great day.